What's up? It's a day of excitement and fun, right, girls? Mm-hmm. We're taking the Frontier out to Pismo, spend the night out there, run around the dunes. My buddy's got a little side-by-side thing, and yeah, so we're gonna go have some fun. Can't always work on the race truck, but we can go with the red truck through our paces, Big Red. So we'll hit you up when we get close. Not much exciting other than driving going on right now, so we'll do that and pop in later. Well, here we are. We got one shift pod up. Met up with my bros. Say what's up, guys. Woo! On video already. We got everything going. Got the little Ranger. Set up another shift pod. Looks like we're gonna have a good time tonight. Out in the dunes, just taking some of the guys around for a little ride in the truck. The girls had their first ride in a little Polaris here. What do you think, girls?
That was awesome.
That was scary. Cool going through the dunes?
Scary, very scary.
Did you go up through the bowl and it scared you or what?
Yeah. Sophie had to close her eyes.
We're having a blast, so it's fun. Yeah, dune time. Get some more footage. Oh! Oh! Oh, he might have been stuck.
It should be our turn now.
I was just thinking flying now.
Broski is an expert. You see, there are some huge bumpers. Yeah.
What do you think, John? Is this a good idea? Yeah, dude. We're just out here, living the dream, having some good time in Pismo. Brought the old Kmart toboggan. We're gonna put Jackson on and give him a ride. What do you think, dude? That was a pretty long hike. Tired much?
Gotta be a good idea, right? Danny, you pumped?
Stop before we get you moving. Safety third.
That's right. First rule. Safety third.
Such a bad.
I'm racing.
Yep. Probably about 5 feet.
Probably I'm going down.
Give him hell, Clarence.
Let go.
On the reel though.
Oh, that light.
Living the dream.
Cooking up some canned chickens.
This bad boy was
Murdered. Those chickens got murdered. It's gonna be delicious. Oh, you're in the way.
Well, peoples, it was an eventful weekend. It was a good weekend. Got the little girls out to go adventure a little bit. Beat on the truck probably more than she deserved. I've been beating on her and putting her away wet for a long time, and I think I've pushed her a little far. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that bump stop. It's pretty smashed up. I got a torn CV here. I don't know if you can see that. This one's about to give way. And then this boot's torn. That CV's torn. The same thing with that bump, or the shaft stop, kind of. So the red truck's just not getting a lot of love lately. I have all the intentions of giving her a lot of love, but I gotta take this thing to Reno in 2 weeks for Vegas to Reno. I'm gonna be co-driving in that with the 7122 AMR race team. Todd with AMR Racing. I'm gonna be navigating for him for a couple hundred miles on that. So as you can see right there, 7122. I gotta get some stuff done with her. So maybe next video, if I have the chance, I might just knock it out. I gotta put some new front axles on it because this thing got loaded up with sand, and it's probably just destroying those CVs because I just drove back like 200 miles, 150 miles, I don't even know, from Pismo with some jacked up CVs. So, and I'm sure the shocks are probably blown, but I don't think I'm not going to be able to get them replaced or rebuilt before in 2 weeks. So, yeah, so it was a great trip. We had a blast playing around in the sand and taking the kids out in the dunes, and because I grew up going up to Pismo with my old Rangers and beating them up and sinking them and drinking and drowning them and all kinds of stuff. But it was a really fun trip, and I'm stoked that that I was able to get my daughters out there to have some fun. So hopefully next time I'll get out there. For those of you that do live in SoCal that may be following me, October 12th, Steve O from Rugged Rock's having a super cool day in the desert kind of just a meetup, just Nissan people coming out. I mean, it doesn't have to be Nissan. If you want to just come out and have fun, you should totally come out. You can look at my Facebook. I shared some stuff on that. I am going to try and get the race truck out by October 12th. That's I don't know if it's going to happen. There's some hurdles to get through, but I've a lot of the stuff, the main stuff that I need, I have now. So I know that I have the bare basics that I'm going to need to get it running and driving. So fingers crossed. Let's plan for October 12th, the weekend of October 12th, for the race truck to get out. You've seen it here first. So until then, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys subscribing. Please share and let everybody know that they got this channel, and hopefully we can you know, just keep up the momentum and keep having fun. All right, see you guys later. Peace.